is I don't go nowhere without them.
Okay, I'm gonna show you how this is done. You need 3 ingredients. You need iodine, bleach, and some water. I usually do this a different way. That's why I got 3 cups there. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you both ways. I'm gonna show you the way that you saw in the video, and I'm gonna show you the way that I usually do it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your water. You're gonna fill 1 cup up with 100% water. And then when I fill my next cup, I'm gonna fill my next cup with 80% water, 20% bleach. And then my last cup, I'm gonna fill it up with iodine, and I'm gonna add up some water to it. And you will see what happens. I'll be back. So next I'm gonna move my bleach cup to the side. I'm gonna then take my cup with water, and I'm gonna add my iodine mixture into my cup with water. And now that makes that also an iodine mixture. Next I'm gonna take my bleach mixture, and I'm gonna add it to my iodine mixture. And it makes it look like it's water, like wow. It's so pretty cool for the eye to see. It's amazing. That's a part of chemistry. Next I'm gonna show you what they did in the video. They added iodine directly into the bleach solution. They did it the opposite way, and this is what happens when you do it the opposite way. It's pretty cool. It like disappeared the moment you pour it into the water. The bleach, it's not just water, the bleach solution, I'm sorry. But yeah, that's pretty cool. That's chemistry. If you like chemistry, follow me for more, because I will be doing a lot more videos.